This is an overview of how to apply the PDC DuraSoft Mother-Father-Baby wristbands with extenders and infant tags included. First, print the wristband sheet using your laser printer. Then, remove the adult ID band from the sheet starting from where it says "Peel here." Pull to the other end of the band, then apply pressure and tear the band off the sheet at the perforation. Apply the band to the patient's wrist. Be sure to leave a 2-finger space to ensure comfort and a secure fit. For patients with larger wrists, you can use the extender to enlarge the wristband. Simply peel the adult extender off the sheet and apply it to the end of the wristband. Then apply the ID band to the patient. For the infant's ID bands, follow the same process. Remove the infant's ID band from the sheet starting from where it says "Peel here." Pull to the other end of the band, then apply pressure and tear the band off the sheet at the perforation. The infant band can be applied to the wrist or ankle of the infant. The laser sheet also includes 2 infant extenders in case they're needed. Another feature included on the laser sheet is the infant tag, which can be used with a tether to allow for easy access to the infant's patient info and barcode. Simply peel the tag off the sheet, fold it in half, then apply it to one end of the tether using the slit in the tag. The other end of the tether loops securely through the infant's ID band. Visit pdchealthcare.com for more patient ID solutions.